In this video, I will explain to you 7 money habits that will make you rich. So, make sure you watch this video to the end because the last habit will surprise you. Developing good money habits is crucial for building wealth. Here are some key habits that can help you on your journey to becoming rich. Number 1. Live frugally. Even if you make more money, imagine your income is like a pie. This habit says to keep your slice of spending smaller than the pie itself. Track where your money goes. Think receipts, bank statements to see where you can cut back. Maybe it's eating out less or skipping that daily coffee run. Number 2. Set up autopilot for savings. This is like putting your money on cruise control. Have a set amount automatically transferred from your checking to your savings each payday. Treat it like another bill you have to pay, but a fun one, because it's for your future. Save regularly. Make it a habit to save a portion of your income consistently. Aim to save at least 10 to 20% of your income each month, and gradually increase this amount as your income grows. Before we move on, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can receive notification when we post new videos. Thanks as you do that. Now, number 3. Avoid bad department by pay off those credit card monsters first. Credit cards charge high interest, like a monster, adding extra fees to everything you buy. Focus on paying those off first so you keep more of your money. Use debt strategically for investments that will generate returns greater than the cost of borrowing. Number 4. Spend like a detective, not a fan. Only buy what you truly need, not things you just want in the moment. Avoid those impulse purchases. Make a grocery list and stick to it, so you're not tempted by treats at the store. Avoid overspending and live within your means. Cut unnecessary expenses and prioritize spending on things that bring value and happiness to your life. Number 5. Invest your savings for future growth. Imagine a magic money tree. Investing is like planting a seed in that tree. Set aside some savings to invest, even if it's a small amount each month. Over time, your money can grow, thanks to compound interest, which is like earning interest on your interest. Number 6. Slow and steady wins the wealth race. Forget about those ideas promising quick riches. Building wealth takes time, like growing a strong plant. Focus on the habits listed here, and slowly but surely you'll be on your way. Number 7. Continuous learning. Educate yourself about personal finance and investment strategies. Stay updated on economic trends and market developments to make informed decisions about your money. The more you learn about saving and investing, the better decisions you can make. Read books, articles, or ask a financially savvy friend for tips. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.